Hi guys, welcome back at Cartex. At first I'd like to thank you guys for the first 1000 subscribers. Really appreciate it, and I'm going on with more videos, so I hope you guys enjoy. I'll show you guys some tips and tricks on the ID.4 again. Did a part 1, now the part 2. So this is my 3.1 software ID.4. It's about 3 months old now, so I'll show you some little tricks. I think all you guys know how to open the rear windows by touching it, but there's a small trick in it. If you press and hold it, it will start flashing, and if you put down one button, it'll open all the windows. And of course, if you press it up, it will also close all of them. There's a little trick for the wipers to put in service mode. It's really easy. You just put the accessory mode on, switch it off, and you press the wiper lever, and they're in service mode. And of course, one of the features, the rear view camera. It can be really dirty, but there's a little trick in it. When you press the wiper lever to spray the rear window, it'll also spray the camera. So it will be completely clean. It's a bit wet now, but it will dry fresh and clean. Also for the rear camera, you can change the view of it. There are a few buttons underneath here. The normal view. You can have a view how to connect your trailer. And the side view. So left and right, it's a bit wider than a normal camera. Of course, this car has the 360 view camera. So if I press the car, it will show above it, in front of the car, sort of side view of it, if you can park nicely, maybe you need it, and of course only the back. Some function in the home screen. If you want to change it, you can press and hold the tiles, and you can put it somewhere else, as if you want to change the layout of it. Also in the home screen, if you press and hold the tiles, you can also change it for some other tiles which in your favor. So another function, there's a hard reset button on the system. If you press and hold the on and off button for about 10 seconds, the infotainment system resets itself. Especially the first editions will have some problems with it, but mine doesn't, so I didn't have to use it that much, but if you need it, it's there. Well guys, after some stormy days with a lot of rain, a little cold, it's much better weather, but as you see, my range isn't that good at the moment, but there's a little trick for it. If you go to car, you go to data, you have the long time trip computer, you reset this, and now look at my range, about 70 kilometers more, so much better. And yeah, it's a bit fooling yourself, but after you drive it a lot and the weather gets worse, it's okay. As you guys know, I work at a dealership. I get a lot of questions about charging and releasing the cable from its socket. Well, there's a little trick. When you're on a charging pole, you want to disconnect it without using your charging pass. Just press the open button 2 times and it will release the cable from its socket. So guys, and when your cable is all stuck and won't release, there's a little button over here. It's new, so a bit tidy to open, but in this hole, that yellow plug is to release the charging cable when it won't release itself. So when there's problem with charging, or you can disconnect the cable, so that's the thing to release it. And as an overview, it's on the right down there. So there's the problem, dead battery of the key. So really easy, this cap will come off if you release the key and you press it under there in the black hole. It will release this cap and you can open the car with it. And then if you get in the car, you need to lay the key down in this place, and after you push the starter button, it will start eventually. So guys, please tell me what you think. Do you want to see some tips and tricks? Do you've got some tips and tricks? Please send them to me so I can use them in the video. And please like, subscribe and share. Maybe onto the 10,000 subscribers after 2 years. Let's see. So thanks for watching, and until next time.